Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, magiging host ang Surrey Public Library sa paglulunsad ng children's book ng isang Filipino-Canadian author. Ang libro na may pamagat na Jessie the Dragosaur, hatid ay kahalagahan ng pagtanggap ng sarili. Ang report mula kay Reyes Santos.
Under the deep blue sea lives a dragosaur named Jessie.
Inspirasyon sa kauna-unahang children's book ng multimedia artist na si Danvic Briones, ang karanasan ng mga kabataang newcomer. Social work ang exposure ng dumating sa Canada noong 2012, mulat sa karanasan ng mga bagong dating dahil sa kanyang trabaho sa non-profit organizations.
You question yourself, you question parang tama ba nandito ko, ito ba talaga ako, magaling ba ako, you know, all that kind of stuff.
Do I belong here?
Yes, and then you get the idea of, you keep your culture but you adapt. So there's a lot of confusion in that. So where do I put myself into?
May pamagat na Jessie the Dragosaur ang kanyang libro na nakatutok sa karakter ni Jessie na dragon at dinosaur na nagkaroon ng katanungan sa kanyang identity o pagkakakilanlan.
So Jessie is a very contemporary name and it's a very androgynous name. And then Dragosaur, it's a combination of dragon and a dinosaur. So again, the idea of a lot of people coming here, diversity in terms of the culture and also diversity in terms of ourselves. You know, first yung identity niya is already parang in question with, you know, people dun sa sea life. Parang ano ka ba? So siya mismo nagkakaroon siya ng doubt.
Yeah.
So and then nagkaroon siya ng I am both a dragon and a dinosaur. I don't need to choose. I am Jessie and I am a dragosaur. It does not matter what Jessie is. Jessie is proud of what Jessie is.
Pagyakap sa sarili sa mga simpleng salitang maiintindihan. Kaakibat ang makukulay na illustration ni Briones, ang laman ng children's book na Jessie the Dragosaur. Naniniwala si Briones na may kurot ang libro sa lahat ng nakaranas ng pagdududa sa sarili, kagaya niya.
When you are in doubt, go back to your own self. Who are you? What are your positive attributes? The book is also saying that you are not alone. A lot of people will support you, your friends, your family. You can be 100% Canadian and 100% Filipino. You don't need to choose. You don't need to be 50-50. The important thing is that, you know, yung mismong identity at character mo.
Si Danvic Briones ang isa lamang sa mga Filipino-Canadian creatives na gumagawa ng pangalan sa literature and arts. Magaganap po ang launch ng children's book na Jessie the Dragosaur sa Surrey Public Library sa July 19. Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.